In this video, we're going to work on reflection, rotation, and translation. So if we have a problem like this that says which diagram shows the starting triangle rotated 90 degrees clockwise around the point 3, 3. So don't panic. Like, this is not going to be difficult. I'll walk you through each step, okay? So let's take a look at each one of these. Okay, so this is what we're trying to figure out. So step 1, start by identifying point 3, 3 on the plane. So this is 3, 3. This is it here. This is it over here. And this is it here. So you just go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up 3, 1, 2, 3 to get to each of these points. They're exactly the same. So we need to figure out which of these diagrams show this starting triangle rotated 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, so when we start by identifying point 3, 3, this will help you see what has been rotated around that point. So that's going to give you a big clue. Okay, so now look at each of the diagrams to see what is a rotation, what is a translation, and what is a reflection. So if we take this, this is the original one, right? I'm putting it right here on top. You can see that it's been turned, right? Clockwise, and it ends up like this. So now I'm going to put the original here to see how this one has been changed. So this is definitely a rotation. So now this is the original. It looks like it's been slid, right? The original has been slid to here. So that is definitely a translation. So now for this one, when we put the original back, we could see that it's been flipped, right? Around this imaginary line here. So that is definitely a reflection, like a reflection in a mirror. So the final answer here is this has been turned exactly 90 degrees, and this triangle has been rotated 90 degrees clockwise. So this is the answer. So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video and understand what each of those things look like: rotation, translation, and reflection. As well, check out the description. There's videos in there. There's links to other videos of mine that are like this, and you could watch those for extra help. As well, download the ebook. In the ebook, you can follow along this exact lesson as you watch the video. And please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.